cocoa powder, ready to make my banana ice cream. Let's make some cookie dough ice cream. Here's my cookie dough. This will be shown on my Instagram, so head over to my Instagram to watch this. For this ice cream, you're going to need some bananas, 3, chopped and frozen for 2 hours, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of chocolate chips, and a tablespoon of runny honey, and of course, some cookie dough. I've got a blender, and be careful, this attachment is very sharp, and I'm going to put my 3 bananas in. I'm going to add my 1 tablespoon of runny honey into my banana mixture, and then let's blend this up on a low to medium speed. Make sure the mixture is nice and smooth, ready to put the cocoa powder in and cookie dough. Take out this blade, but it's going to be sharp. Remember, you need a grown-up helper to take this out. Pour 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder into a large bowl. And then I'm going to scrape my bananas into the bowl using a spatula. And then pour in 1 generous cup of the cookie dough. And let's have fun mixing it. And you can see it's going to turn all lovely and chocolatey. And you might need a grown-up helper to mix this, as it is quite stiff. And you need quite a lot of muscles. Arrgh. Hi, I'm going to put this into my container, as you can see here, ready to freeze. All my yummy, healthy banana ice cream. And this is what it's going to look like. I've just forgotten one little thing. A tablespoon of chocolate chips and sprinkle it on top. Looks delicious to me. Put this in the freezer for 2 hours minimum, or overnight would be better. Be patient. Here's my second ice cream, my strawberry ice cream. You need 1 cup of strawberries, 3 bananas chopped up and put in the freezer for 2 hours. To make my strawberry ice cream, I'm going to pour in the bananas into my blender and the strawberries. Let's blend this up for 30 seconds on a low to medium blend. And you'll be able to see it will change colour. Hi, I'm going to take the blade out of my ice cream. Let's pour it into my container. Put this strawberry ice cream in the freezer for 2 hours, or overnight preferable. This will make enough for 4 people. Hi, let's make a 2-in-1 recipe. I've got my bananas, 3. You need to chop them up and put them in the freezer for 2 hours. And you'll need 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract to make my vanilla ice cream. And if you like nuts, I've got walnut, a cup. Let's add this in to my walnut ice cream. Got my blender, I'm going to pour in my walnut. And if you're just making vanilla ice cream, do not do this step. Now let's blend the walnuts up. They only need to be very slightly chopped up. Be careful when taking the blade out and pour the walnuts into a bowl. Remember, if you're making vanilla ice cream, don't need to do this step. I'm going to add my bananas into the blender and then add my 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then remember to blend this up until a smooth consistency on a low to medium blend. Hi, try, if you're just making the vanilla ice cream, you can put it into the container, but I want to make walnut ice cream, so I've just got a little bit of walnuts to go on top, and then put the banana and vanilla into the walnuts and mix. And then you'll need to put it into the container. Let's sprinkle the walnuts on top of my ice cream. Pressing it down slightly, and remember to put this in the freezer for 2 hours or overnight. Comment down on my Instagram what's your favourite ice cream to eat and which one did you enjoy making the most. Oh, I find something in my hair. Oh, a lemon. Ready to make my next recipe. What am I going to make?